Now, hey. Oh my God. Pooh. Right. Hey mama, good morning.
I am good.
You good? Right. And guys, it's all morning over here. I need to greet my birds before you move on. Good morning. Good morning, my beautiful birds from Africa. Anyway, my name is Alobebo Official. Welcome on today's videos. Are very special, and in case you're new here, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and also don't skip ads. That's the best way you can support your boy from Kenya. You know, right now I'm wearing this shirt. When I'm saying East Africa, Kenya, you already know the flag of Kenya, like the flag of my country. Anyway, on these videos, it's a fantastic videos, and you had the beautiful birds singing some songs day by day, and I love the nature, you know. I'm thinking to plant more fruits rather than these trees here, so to attract more birds in our compound. So on today's videos, I'm taking to my mom's construction. I'm back again. So there's some work I want to do, demolishing the wall for that mud house. You want to build a front porch. You know, my mom's dream house, it has two entries: back porch at the kitchen and also front porch for the sitting room. I don't know, maybe for the living room, things like that. So yesterday, it's a blessed day. It's raining, the rain of cat and dog. So today, no curing of water, and I thank God for that. And also, I thank God for the gift of life. I just wake up, I'm still alive, and do my activity day by day, you know. Before we move on, let me check the time. Wow. Okay, just a minute, guys. You know, it's good. You see, when I'm shooting these videos at what time, and I know majority of people will make these videos early in the morning, late night. It depends the time where you are, you know. But for me, it's early in the morning. It's 7:22. Today it's date 15 on Saturday, November. So we're remaining with some few days ahead of us. We say the year of 2025 goodbye, and then we meet in the year of 2026. And me, I personally, each and every year is to do some you know, transformation, especially some activities, maybe building and construction. You see here, it's the year of 2024. I think I built this structure, and then the year of 2025 I construct the, like I build the I dig the borehole. We get water. It's by God's grace. The same this year, the year of 2025, I build my African mom dream house. And guys, my God bless you a million times, and my God give you long life in this world to keep supporting Alobebo Official, and also support the rest, guys. Not only me, support the rest, you know, in this world. So we just over here in this world to support each other and to hold each other to move day by day, you know. And maybe sometime, if I could be lazy, I couldn't build structure like this. I couldn't maybe, like, I could never build my mama dream house. It's by God's grace, it's by power. It's not my power. So my work is to do and go. So I'm heading this way. I want to see some workers because my mom, she was calling me while I'm sleeping, Sometimes I was working so hard and I sleep like a dog. Okay. So after working there, today, the tip of stones we arrived, or maybe I'll buy stones for the front porch. And technically, you can't buy a half tipper. You're supposed to buy completely tipper. And one tipper for the stones, especially hardcore ground, it goes to around $8. That's around 8,000 Kenyan shillings. 8,000. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,000 Kenyan shillings. I know maybe in my village here could be more, maybe cheaper, but at other places, the more you go a distance from my village, the more you buy those hardcore stones expensive, So let's go there. And for me, I want to say, Mom, thank you so much, and may God bless you abundant. You made it, my dream come to reality. That's how I keep pushing, my mom day by day. And outside there, I have my solid subscriber, who's supporting me day by day by watching my videos. And also for the new subscriber, thank you so much for welcoming on this channel. And it's pure vlog, nothing to be hide, And I'm flowing with the vibe till the end. Let's go, guys. 20. So I will ask my mama whether the construction have been open. I'm wearing these crazy shoes because my sandals have been, misused by rain. Mama umefungwa huko. Leo hakuna kumwagilia. Mwili nye?
Ilinyesha.
Mama, she was collecting some beans here. Hard working mom. Soon paper fungo wakati huu. Look, there's some beans here. When a cup like this is full, in my village, especially in border town, you bought around 30 shillings to 50. That's around maybe $0.01. Imagine. But other places, you can bought around maybe $1. We're so blessed. And it's organic food, no chemical, Mama Tanga Benny. Oh my God. I know right now I made my African mom to be more happy, more proud, because me, I knew where I came from, and I knew my background. Since I was born, even my parents, they were being tried the best to build this house. When my dad was alive, he built this house that I'm demolishing slowly, and then my mom's dream house, and then my brother. But by good luck, when my daddy passed away, and I want to say my soul rest in peace, Dad, wherever you are, your spirit is continue watching what I'm doing. My mom, she tried the best to build my house, which I'm living with my brother. Right here, this one here, So, as I keep, studying my primary school and then all that, because of the financial, like I keep, continued my study. So, I reached Form 4, by the way, but in secondary, I studied maybe 1 month. I sent for the school fees. I jumped, things like that. It's 50-50, You study at the same time, you're not in school because of money. So, my mama should try the best. He built this. And imagine, he was going to people's farm, working, doing hard work, until when I finish up, I said, Mama, because there's no money, and other my brothers are trying the best, to go in school, maybe I can help you. I go to people's maybe construction site, I work, every day. I come home too late, and we continue like paying my young brother and sister to school fees, buying them books, pencil, things like that. By God's grace, God is good all the time, and me, I just trust and believe in God. Dave Jr. hold me the hand in terms of mentoring me. Like the way you see me, I have been mentored by Dave Jr. and also I am married in Mango. They are part of my family. Me, I never knew about YouTube. I knew YouTube when I was go to Dave Jr.'s construction, and that's how my dream came to reality. Maybe other people ask me, hello baby, what's up? How was your journey? That's how my journey was started as a handman, and it's my evidence on my videos. You can go and watch my fourth videos, you will see. And I keep, grinding hard. Dave Jr. push me like, baby, keep going, keep work hard. One day dream will come to reality. And now we enjoy the fruits. You see that structure? We have the borehole. I have bike that I'm riding. Not only one bike, I have two bikes. First bike, one of my subscribers bought for me. Second bike, I bought the new one. And maybe, who knows? Next year, maybe I could buy another bike. Or maybe a vehicle. And I say a vehicle, I mean, no. Maybe next year I could buy a car, a brand new car, maybe a bike. But right now, I'm pushing my mama house for now. When I complete, I'll do my own thing. I left my mama in a good condition. Hi, ma'am. This is the key for the site. Sometimes, guys, I give you my brief story for my life. Hi. So this is the house which my dad plants tobacco with my mama and then build. So now I'm trying to cut it slowly. So maybe guys, I'll build here. The house will reach here going that way for the rental, like a rental house. When I say the rental, you know what I mean. African hand. Let's go. I should say hello. That's my cousin. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, what's your name?
Mercy.
Okay, Mercy every day she was sweeping. When I'm vlogging here, I found her sweeping early in the morning. The good thing about African people, like in my village, you need to wake up early in the morning, you work. When the time reach like noon time, you need to rest. You eat and then you rest. Yeah. Right now, no stones here. And before I go to my construction site for my mama, I want to show you guys. If you meet my stones on these videos, you already know it's new stones. Look, we have only this, like little stones right here. But from maybe noon to evening, I'll rush up and buy some stones. Kujeni. Lolo. Kuja, nkio korogota. Ndio ufungue. Ansera magena. Murahira he. Asa mubomo ipare. Fungwani kwa nishime mutabomo. Nyamuya. Kuja. Mko wangapi? Waine. Nilipa tu waine eti mawe.
Atariga ni watu walio nalipa mawe. Wetu ni gatwere wana rafu kwa itubone. So kiatu toka sasa kwa.
Nilipewa tu ene mawe mu. Niko musemiri.
Toto hemianga. Beto ntorama kitoratu enani. Beto tautunika. Tosemi.
Mnanipanga leo si ndio? Oina na nana watatu.
Morning.
You good? Mzee mikwani.
Tulivyo site yetu.
Sasa nyinyi ubaya mnajenga, mnaenda, mnacheo wengine wanakuwa mserereko shule. Yeah. Kama manipa alikuwa pesa kaenda ka dance, akasahau kazi. Babu. Yes, Okorombo. That's my grandfather. From another family. Muita nani nyamakum. Tande biri romar na manche ange kuyam. Taruse hem. Tasenda takomo. Hata kujupigwa nini? Last. Una futi. Pima sasa futi nani weke mark. So I need this foundation to be plastered. You know. I want to, you know, to mislead them. Aya. Ekoleo ile michanga na wheelbarrow itolewe pale. Hiyo mchanga wote toke hapa. Sababu tunabomoa ukuta. Takuja tujenge hapa. Ukuta. So guys, I'm telling you this wall, it's supposed to be fall down. And we no, Bruno, come on. Tata bika pano ana moko ale kasenko ngumotegera bamura bale matunda.
Kole vale kana bonsu magahata. Akala toko kora tarigana ga itu toko kora. Matunda toko kora barabagu.
I'm telling them, they work so hard in foundation, demolish the house. When it reaches the blocks, you know, some small boys enjoying. But all in while, everybody needs some job. So that happened to that to bomoe. Baka yale mabati, sijui nitaleta kazi ni tutatoa mpaka maji kwenye tanki tumwage chini.
Mogale tanki hangi hivi.
Tanki iko hapo. Iruhusiwa, si unajua. Yeah.
Yo Bruno one.
So that's how the work goes. You see where the door started on the other side? Not this wall, that wall right there. That's where we join the porch on this side here. Going that way. Front porch.
Bruno.
Yeah, they're watching my dog. Eh?
Mutego rabi no vitache mono gonde go ba ke hano ba tu na ko. Ka pa hom. Yore ra ta che pa hom ni.
Yote. Michanga yote huku. Kana ni kasingi kadogo atachimbo hivi kwenda pa. Wakati ukichimbo wengine wanaleta mawe.
Wale kikwani kutuneno igale rangu.
Yatoke kiange nusu. Naona tukikata nusu.
Wana kimu kenge nusu. Kuya kurigito ora.
Hayo bano gote.
Hano. Wana de kenga kenga mo ga. Kuevere iko. Ego bujiti kuevere iko. Nanyo embe hano musinge goto.
Futi 8.
Kinane mpaka yatema.
Makura kutoka hapa kwa msingi hapa kwenda hapo vime futi 8. Sasa kama mimi niko futi 5 nikilala nitafika hapo. Sasa hapo ni 3. Mpaka tuingenda. Uruene. Esi ndio nakwambia tukate hivi. Rokengero.
Okay, kana mbeta kujana.
Sasa mzee tuone fitinara.
Matoleo kana bari kupiga kana hega.
Hapa hatuweki kitu juu ni pila, sikujipate pila ingine hapa. Hapa ni mlango. Mugarango rwigiriri.
Ngoku tunakujenga hano.
Sasa huko mama hizi pita huko. Maharambere na kaburi. Kaburi. Kitambo unajua uingilie hapa, unaenda hivi unaingia. Lakini sasa tunaingia once pu kwenda ndani. Ndio kuna walking distance.
Alibucha tutigibira hata. Ukaenda tangana.
Hata na utonyiri kumihara na wagenda kinyo. Akili hua mwitana. Okay.
So kana bana nini
Wiki
umweli.
Ganja fama.
ending
Tabe ambipa maji buduko. Da. From here. Weka alama. Here. Mimi nukita ronsta. Lakini atubomoe wote. Tunabomoa pale.
Ndani.
Hapa hatutoi mura.
Kitoro bena roa ndani.
Ndani. Tukitoa ndo siku nimepata mabloku tutoe tukijenga one way. Sasa hapa manipa ndio unapima hapa. Unaona hapa? Roach. Maybe hanoiga. Hapa ukata na msumeno pole pole kaukuta ka bike. Unaona? Uende.
Kwani unafika hapa?
Sini kwa hii.
Kwenda huko?
Hapa kwenda huko.
tanki
tutatoa. Siri mabati mnatoa ya mbele. Mchote maji yakimwagwa. Alafu niete plamba tuitoe ndani. Maybe we call a day.
iliga hayoro chiri
Si ndo hii hapa. Soni hapa. Sasa maybe tuseme utabomolea ukate hapa. Haiwezi kuwa exactly mpaka upite kidogo. Hanaga mwiti. Utakata hii kitu. Hii baki ukate hii kwenda hapa muangushe. Si unakata.
Kana eno kiko kengero mu. Igintu kire kiko kengwa nkeno.
ene kigoro hare hagacho
Kigoro hare hagacho sikire kigoro hano barete mora. Kana ngono bene kulihwa na kura pakenge hajui.
Sasa mimi kitu nataka ikaukuta katoke haka na kale katoke.
Watakara kosuka.
Sika kuyambara no ati ntanke wewe.
Ntora musiku kura hano mbele.
marabaka na
Si atoya weko huko.
Asa marabaka no ni chimbao kitora hini kuhai.
Sire mira mancham. Tratore skutore. Maha simweke kwa ile kona pale. Ako kona ha.
Marabaka.
Pombe. Sasa tukisema tunaweka hapa maji yatasimama. Mako kona hara. Ile kona. Siwili bado ni mbili nyamako.
naenda ingi
Leta ingine mchape kazi shoot. Munyori chibi huru one way.
Kiburu kuchikinya mu.
Hato wasombi mbili buko.
naso bimiri nne nchirango kwa
Sasa siendo alikusanya tena pereka wapi? Back to the roots, you know. First things to remove this soil from here, pushing there. Kwenye kona hapo. Hayo hemuze. Bado nyo tutakuja tuyatoe. Wewe yake hapa kwenye kona hapa tu mwita hapa. Utaenda hivi. Magani gara.
Karena kau turun teman itu nak.
Ayo kau temu mana ayo.
Tergantung lagi nak Hans. Tahu kau Terus kau makan tu ini nama dulu ayo kali.
Amu mwage nyuma ya gate hapo. Hapo tena maji yatakuwa.
Gua malah buat dia kau homo harap. Oneka vingi.
Amu nataka nivupeleke kwa mengine huko.
Ayo terakhir.
Unaona? Hapa si mamori wanapita.
Ayo bono homore.
Kwa kande. Hara usilete shida ndogo. Haya. Anza ni kazi sasa. Kwa ile kona. Asa nyie muone vile mnamwaga tu. Clouds and some brown. I'm some brown. Anki kutuka uloro. Iganki. Tahini akanto kutuka ukitena goroma kwa tahini akano again.
Mai gahan musingi kintra to kahin pra.
Why? Tingana nakano mo tahini akan.
Orale morapa ko si mo yo peno ya nai. Kenapa murana paragi?
Nah, kau tahu terus kamu ramah. Ini gue. Sih, kau nak terus lagi.
Mahasiswa kok mau kumbe mo ata machoha moto hali.
Karena les kunyumbirisha tu alikula kuku. Ikiboato.
Tena alikuwa vile kuni wakakucha kule.
Ya mukwa.
Sasa sikukuwa na nilikuwa nimekufa sasa nimetoroka mimi.
Mutakamba kahansi. Abanywa sako ngubono gende ne revo. Seven kwa kirumu ilikuwa.
Ajohon ndanyari wengu kirumu. Baka bado na baka ayihanse hapa.
Nah, kirim gue hanuka wansi. Kenyori wansi.
Sawa taheni. Karena ngutu atamanjara akuruhaga Kenya kuyahan. Kuyalodwa. Telling them to remove all any that leave water to running going that way.
Kagara nyora sasa kule mokare umuntu.
Kwa nyama kumutuni chembe.
Tebe tararekera kala.
Mani pa una jembe.
Kana nune. Nune cerna rekeram. Betul na yo toreka.
Wa hauna jembe nyama.
Gaso. Konyari wansi kuya tani chikore. Iya, ichembe anu terabanan. Inta cho tuma cho terchiko chiwiri baro. Babere bara hingira bara hama. Wen kor tiga bomba.
Day by day.
Mure mbur mata nembe sen krutate ta kokota.
Bari mewaka mzee.
Eto kena kule kongai.
Sasa mani pa unye ukutimeanzia hapa hapo ndo utapata nani kichumba vile kiko. Kumsinga nkweka. Wewe naenda na hivyo tu. Iko juu. Haya. Ewan kianda ni mama chengaragara yamu. Watana helpen. You find it, eh?
Okay, hakika sasa.
Umepata si ndio? Ndio hapo sasa. Usiende zaidi. Pako juu. Si unaona pako juu?
Asu yote mimi chembe kemura hika ho.
Hale bonege sana ratani.
Ndo hapo unaona. Acha kwenda chini sana. Uharoche.
Nigesona okera.
What is going on? You see right here? Very fantastic.
Eken. Ta kugitna tuwatani.
And then we put this side here. Anche come parte sana ngaragunde. Yeah, I need them to be here. And also another team they've been on this side here. So at the same time, when we finish up, I need them, you know, to push, like to move out the tank. Maan kulipa hanuro. Kana pano wasasa usinigo hapa kekali. Si maji anapita hapo. Na hayo mama hata no mara musiko mara chana ko matora mu.
Hayo kutulega.
Ta bomba mara ba. Hap. Mutigi ha mo mamba mo gara manchen ko hata gare.
Kana ka kuwa mate ora branga bene ka.
Hano. Pano pate ko hata.
Kuna maji.
Tata tukitengeneza mtaro hapo wakichapia maji ataenda hapo. Wikitaenda na chemba pika tacho mo hedira mara ba.
Kile tora akore. Aha hando ka totali. Kupokate kono kwa kama. Lakini kukuruha.
Kuanzia hapa. Weka michanga hapa.
Kama robo gaitu kufano. Kukuja.
Ndio bana hata menda nyore kama hapo inakuja.
Barakira kwanza na mengi. Koreo.
Hata ingekuwa kama vipi sasa vibao wheelbarrow hizi pita ingekuwa na mwago pale. Hara. Hai.
Aranga alatara atukali karanga toraro turite.
Tumagenchera baro macha korochitipa tayari hetera magen. Sawa, twende kazi. Bora tu yatoke hapo. Aja na make.
Amma kama ko na kapombe. Kana hano hani kuruguru na kali. Hira hiya mbaraka.
Ndio kama haru musinga
Adita ubotambe ndayansera hanse ha. Asukiri kasi no musiko kutunonde pe koseneki urubango korona. Mwatenda kunyu.
muito pipa.
Le dasta. Alright guys, the work is going on and at the same time I have the pliers here and bolt. So we need to tight this wheelbarrow because it's dropped one bolt. I don't know because those wheelbarrow it's doing some a lot of, you know, tough job. I mean since day one. So I don't know where other bolt went, but I have an you know, backup. Haya, okay, kaza kabisa nyemu. Irayo somba maburuko horo yago here. You see, there is no bolt here. Senengare. Kaza kabisa. Como ne percorre te usiku sawa.
Sawa. Ndio songe.
Piga hii. same time, I'm still working on the steel bar. So to see whether I would bring those steel bar home. I don't know, because I need to stay calm, you know. Like, I didn't pay cash like to harass people. Oh, I need steel bar, you know. So when we bought things on credit, like you need to be patient enough. This one I'm making. Yeah, terita kimoros. Sasa mungu fakin ega song.
No, ya may no gasa ito.
Hey.
Ano natin nung sura ng kubok? Sarek.
Kaza kabisa. Guys, at the same time I'm listening, you know, Jamaican song you heard. Let me show you guys. Just a minute. I don't want to get copyright. So off camera, I do listen Jamaica because it motivates me a lot to be a good person and to be a role model in my family. Okay. Okay, you need oil? Yeah, oil is everything. So there is no need I go around. Let me use the shortcut. I'm telling you, I'm the fan of Jamaican music, 100%, you know. Wow. Let's see on this side here. Push the work day by day. Mama, Mama, corridor hayo. Ade. Mama, hello baby. Wana kwa corridor hapo pa pikipiki uone chupa ya wewe tupatie. I'm calling my mama like, Mom, to hello baby. Vipi hautorekora noraka rusi? Sinirigana liho? I think nirigana liha hiyo. Temo. Temo. Te kidogo. Hoi pula yase goe hano mama. Kwa tori temo. Tuku mama. Tatia mama uchima. Okay mama, asante. That's my mama. On the other side, you see. Okay. Kopacha.
No, kita kuya kuyambe. Bakandu te.
Toto nyeno mkundikire.
Kitambo mimi kinyorke. Kumuna achara kingi kamutero.
Yeah, we need to apply oil. You see, without pushing those loam soil from here, the iron sheet start crack like rusting. Waachia tu hapo. Sasa fundi ndio mwenye atakuja kuona anatoa akipiga plastic. Kama mkiwafanyia alafu kesho kuta watafanya wapi wenyewe. Utangoa
ndani hara hakem.
Kuna msumeno alafu hapa si kazi
alafu mahame ndio gara hivyo mabater no ndreihu misumari mahamba kakome
mama igo
teteme kuhana
hayo one way
ndreihu misumari yoveniga na hansi anori kuhika kono.
So unajua hapo pila zinapita tatu. Hapa hivi ni msingi yote. Unaona?
Mpaka sasa.
Hiyo yote inang'ola. Wewe piga mahesabu kuanzia hapo. Hapo. Dinulusurete. So I'm telling him we're supposed to remove iron sheet from other side until this place.
We. Ujasara maroba kana nganye. Harusi bwe hayo hakengwe. Mancheka ho moro. Maroba mahake gara.
Gara ba hikire.
Kinyara likira patara ko Kenya.
You know, sometimes with my workers, I normally, laughing at the same time because they are normally cracking jokes to me. So when I miss them on my construction, like, man, sometimes they're cracking jokes. At the same time, they're working so hard, But there's a day I'm trying to push them, like, work. And at the same time, it's good to supervise, Aya, where you know he? Essa macarata. You see, now it's like kiki. My dog on the other side. Bruno, am I around? Cool down. My dog's on the other side. Other side.
Nini hivi kimunga? Manya baratuga tora yange ku.
Tunyani mukundikiro. This, and I told you guys that porch will reach on that tank up to that iron sheet right there on that corner. Diana, you know hivi that. Hey. Yeah, I'll bring the plumber and muchote maji nitaleta plumber. I'm telling them fetch water from that tank, pouring on this house, and then I'll bring the plumber to remove the tank. Oh, you tried it. We are fetching water.
Tanya bekiro yake kekera manipao. Ndaiga no kurara kono.
Yangu kuchai.
Atanga yo basi.
Piga kwa ukuti ka pua mara homera. Easy work. Simple as that. Hakuna, imagine kidogo.
Mama badaja.
Wastage. Usibichi farkiona.
Hata ngenda ruho sekere. Ono ninta atuna kuihinga pia.
tank ya rin. Singa jadi pa piki bro. Aku rekomendasi ku. Tinggal ni mama chatter dinyo.
I'm telling you, the black stuff attract sunlight. Black stuff, You here, guys, they were been struggling, fetching water from this tank. Here, putting here, going that way. Hey, no joke here. Kama manchi.
Musa agamba fast.
Kara gachirungu kyana goe. Entanke nongutunu churusi chipaipu chirambe mugirusi mondani. Jumusingi unapita pale. Nimeomba tafadhali.
Njoo nikupatie kijana kutusaidia kutoka.
Sasa kijana na wewe ndio uliweka.
Wewe kuja acha maneno mengi.
Haya. Na kuitoa hapa ndani.
Sio kuja niko hapa ofisini.
Haya nakuja. 1 minute.
Tatu nikilisa kera.
Kijana atarudi nacho sasa nitakibeba wapi?
Sijasema ubebe. Ukibeba ukatu kubigi.
Sina mi brada, kijana akirudi atakuja nacho. Eh. Guys, I'm speaking with my plumber here. Say hello.
Hello, man.
You good?
Good.
Okay, I'm shooting my video. Give me 5 minutes, I will be there.
No problem, man.
Okay. Guys, I'm speaking with my plumber, and I want to make the plan how to move this tank from this side here, fixed right there, because that porch will start from this corner here. No joke. Imagine, guys, you're fetching water from here.
Sasa. Ya mulekere sasa. Kemuhenira magigara kira.
Magigata.
Kere raikara igona hetuk.
Now I think, guys, we watch the War of Africa. No joke here. Guys, I'm trying to think if today we demolish up to this side here, what's remaining? Maybe when I get around maybe 2 lorries for the machine cuts, I could build here a rental, and then I push Mama from this situation to that one there, because this house is already gone, man. Remaining there around maybe a quarter, and then we say boom, and then things like that. Gasir. Oroha kusamani.
Oroha nyora kumbula. Atatichoka kuromu. Tareta chamber romu.
Amancho te amo.
Yento ketam. Imera mamu itambaro imera.
Congratulations, you try your best. Alio tatira na duwe. Tatira na uwe ndra heri chegoro. Guys, he was sweating inside there, no joke. My workers are warming out here because of the work. Oh, food is ready? I don't think. Maybe. Okay. Mama, ichembe. Tachu ichembe doku. Ndo hiyo analeta. Hata miko wapi? Ndo hiyo analeta. Oh. Taratari. Enda kwa nyumba usijumie. Usiniwa hapo sururu. Enda usiumie. Asiga bana, anguruti BBC.
Kata konda.
Yeah. Tukamwita hakuna
Na hale kule.
Kwani tukipaswa kuna shida gani? Sema tu yale mahali.
Kuegesa kuharike.
Yale kuna motora wote bali.
Bako ke uchenshi pa.
Ohuni. Kan tageno kichiko tore atletari.
Tarimba ni sushi kesho kukipiga puu.
Sana niga.
Wankia sana hari ni kutoire pipe tu hapo.
Nani yangu yana mahali gani hivi. Tarabo.
Guys, I think this stuff is ready. Osambiri. Nebanga eh. So it's a harambe. Kurwere. Ushike sako.
Tuimoke naye.
Tukisukuma kwanza umene kote hanzi. Ni biguru hewa.
Ta join the squad mwita.
Sukuma kwanza
Ngora iko. Hano tera cha atento mangure hano.
ni gini ha.
Uleteni kwenda hapo. Haya. Sasa ni harambe.
Katorambe hanse tu.
Yo breshika.
Setano msirie.
Simungefunga kamba.
Watu mutegombo. Utive to hanse ar tukuma har. Ar tukuni hanu idihar.
Tacho to rememze. Gono. Aposhi back. Aposhi A.
Ruko mpenzi.
Ai.
Vamos kukura gete misa.
Mokiria.
Mama tora ko tap.
Yeye upikai hayo. Haya hii nyambo.
Tera cha teke.
Iko ni chikiro tunatora nya.
Balere gosere.
Baada.
Ko bombe.
Balere ha gosere.
Hikre ko kundi. Uwezo hotere ko beli.
Ikarigo. Ay. Ego terekum.
Hai. Asa.
Yeah.
Aya huniambe.
Are benyu hayo.
Ya tsuro moto.
Ayo bota. Uyembe.
Atiga kwanza.
Tiga.
Kabakana mukuringa are benyu.
Mwita sasa siwa uzungushe mu. Wankuira hara. Pereka uleta hu.
Ba kuhira mbalere gan.
Very risk.
Haya. Gambo no ahiti umotebu ko ngukwe munsi. Ya kwanza.
Pasua hiyo. Wechuko kat.
Tulitusira kubana usiri to kago tere bon.
You know, like the joint of the tap.
Haya, hii leta kuchambare.
Aruni.
Pole pole.
Haya, kira eto.
I'm telling you guys, you see. Hey.
Hii kuya.
Yake hapa tu.
Hapo siri wana.
Aruni kid. Uncle.
Sasa muzungushe mdomo. Sasa yamwetwara kwa haide metegendo.
Leo ate matikeche kwanza hanu metengera haru.
Sawa. Gachunge mdomo kwa.
Chunga mdomo.
Mai sumali.
Ngana. Yatoka watoto suri wote.
Ni vitu dati.
Sasa.
Yamwe. Aya, demu kirusiru. Mani pa. Tena. Aje, tarusinge mwaranchira achafuke.
Mama sitoe.
Aye.
Nchimbora chiro ni chingisi. Pushing the tank. Wa. Tadhingira kuya hayo. Igo. Tigari per mau. Tigari per hayo ada.
Ora tirigena yo moto ke ndra chafuri chinge. Tamoto ke kira mani. Pauli.
Ira tafari na pera lingi.
Ekadu.
Ganya kidogo.
Mambe chota sukuma chonji mchi.
Atoke kira, atoke chira achafuke. Ai. Look. Sasa mwita. Imakinde aragonsi. Mono.
Oui.
Sasa utapeleka wapi?
Tekeno para hapo mara kiringa mama.
Kuya.
Atake pa por kete.
Atum siyo wacho ote mo achahan. Anda magana kanda kamo no. Hanse.
Kanu beto po markeno ta korregas. Na harasi hatu wemba ka hana maro. Baka hapo diki.
Another one there. What's going on here? Mai rigera le guisa.
Ruangura.
Tato apare. Ay. Munyo korambu yoko. Guys, there's some, joint for this one. We are really taking care of this joint. Nkame joint na kwa kurusia manje.
Hayuiga ya koroku.
Sasa yanke chacha tori. Yanke akora kurusia sasa.
Anigena wana nyuri hatera na. Kidogo.
Iwana kama iko sawa. Hapa ndio kuna kalia. Anaonanya ikari again. Nobody will touch this tank. I need them to be washed after maybe we finish these issues. We wash the tank. Moyo.
Mana? Cuma ko tap ha, cuma haribi.
Haribi.
Cuma tungku ya kare.
Sa.
Dono wa kore tibi. Ndenga kore kwa tapolo.
Ni venye ilikuwa chini. Sasa ikikaa na hii sehemu mtakuja kufanyaje? Ama ni album ile tora muri?
No te elbo sana.
Hivi.
Tena tulisoigia maji. Tulisoigia bana.
Oh. Okay.
Kwantu mu garibu. Karesoera.
Sasa ndaga sohere. Maybe in tank
Tora hano. Ya outlet.
Ndogo.
Da funga hapo na kaka.
Hii PVC.
Ile zitaweka hapo.
Haya. Okay. Sasa kazi kwenu. Ngatu. Takanyambe toraga.
No.
Tarush Bruno.
Hiro usikisko harawansi.
Daddy.
Nachigwero hapa nje.
Come on, Bruno. No, don't chase people. This is a blessed friend. we arrange this house again, and then we demolish this wall up to this door here. I'm telling you. Aya. Things are shagalaba, got a bed here, local cupboard. Hey. Irambalera manuruti.
Okay. Bebera kurma.
I'm trying to lock it here. Right there. Hey, what's up? Hakuna ufunguo mumwita mama wewe mgondo atigire. Sasa sisi vitu tutaweka kwa wheelbarrow simu yako.
Vitu gani?
Vino.
Unatema bana wewe kondo kiri. Tai bana sabira. Mara poko gonzo wa kwamu. Bakanda acha kutora makahani.
Now food is ready.
Ndara chana kumbe ni chiho.
Ngai hata bina.
Twende. Food is ready. This glass of water. Now it's lunchtime. Manpower here. Enjoying lunch. Faza.
Yeah. Welcome.
Look to the other side. Anyway. Whew. By the way, I need to cover my hair. Guys, I need to cover my hair because of this dust. Oh my god. Now, I've been demolishing.
Yeah, one man.
Oh, you put supporter. And then all of them throw there. Sasa sijui sehemu kama itakuja kusinki, tutaiwekea mawe. Muita mai ingu simesema msingi inapita pale. Ingugu ni rama agete miringe mono. Ile uko hapa mpigi rudi huko. Isije
Pata fundi ali.
Isije kanyangu sema pu.
Haiwezi. Yo, bono mora mukono ona go isiko.
Mara poko na gonzo kutora mu. Dana mum.
Umepiga supporter sasa. Okay.
Tunakula mdogo.
Nyimbe ndo nenga ngutema marage pa mara lagera.
Marangara.
Chukua kole msukume one way.
Kwanza sema ninalikora yote kwa sofa kwa hiyo.
Antu nyuri mo yeru sta. Embeba mbe sentini ya gata kunesu chema nya fara.
Senti.
Mai sentini ni kirumba kene kunyunka. Atunga wachi bisa hasunte ata uchirigenda achi. Niga.
Ndafungera.
Tao chama.
Echata makata sigara kaskara.
Wow.
Yeah guys, we need to fill this septic pool where the tank have been, placed on top. If you remember guys, I told you I'm supposed to cut this wall from here, and you see on videos men are here watching, even this one are very weak. Yeah, see. Guys, it's raining and I just left home like that. That's my bike, and I'm going to pick some stones for the front porch. That's one tipper already. Let's go. 20. I'm telling you guys, it's raining, and I have been waiting since morning the stones to be arrived, because as I told you early in the morning, like, hey, we are waiting the stones. So I'm checking at the same time the road, how it looks like, whether the tipper will pass here. But I don't think whether you will manage to pass here, because now, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it's very slippery. Okay. So I'm rushing to meet with the guy. Sorry guys, I'm rubbing my camera because it's freezing. And we're gonna see how things will work, you know. Go on. Andima, Bakahe. Yeah. Down. Yeah. Ata na tunawaima monto hayo. Kirima, say hello.
Hello, how are you?
Guys, it's raining here.
Okay.
And okay, get into the motorbike, we go. I'm telling you, it's raining here. We are going to bring the stones back to the construction site. Oh my god. You see? People put lights on. And the good thing about me, whether it's night, daytime, I'll film the videos as I walk. Whoa, that's the school there, right there. Hey. Look. Whoa, Agwan. I'm rushing like something else. Yeah. I'm wiping, I normally do wipe my camera because of the drop of the rain toward my camera. But now I managed to reach Nyabohansi, and Moi, this is Nyabohansi, guys. Aya Nyandima. Aya, bye. Tuonane baadaye.
Yaje ba.
Uko poa? Niambie.
Tuma. Okay, ni kimere ko nakyo.
Kimere kiada.
Keno kwimukieto.
Na yega mahomonto. I'm telling him I'm rushing. I want to see the guy with the truck for the hardcore stones. freezing on this side here, and I'm rushing, you know. Now. I'm telling you. That's how the bouncer looks like. Yeah. Oh my God. It's too late. But we're gonna see. I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna left my bike. Telling you, it's too late. Nani? Ndio inakuja. Acha niwaambie. We tata. Waiting the truck from this side here, and it's too late. You know, I wanna confirm for you. It's around 1803. That's 603. Scott, mapa te jambo pa no. Tangege. Again to get out. So anytime from now, the people will pull up here. You know, even I found the missed decor. Oh my God. Hey. Guys, I'm still waiting this guy.
Yes.
When so like, wewe mzee, unauza nini? Bangi. Sasa dai hapa nyota kuwa panya muleleona naye. Weka hii hapa nyuma. Finya mzee kwenye buti.
How are you, baby?
I'm good, sir.
How are you going?
Hustling is for real. You need to be on boot. On
the boot.
back of the car. Yeah.
On the boot.
On boot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maja no marembo no. Wewe nakupa wateja
uno.
Eh? Tuko kwenu.
Aye, msimwage basi nisubirie.
Waisha basi tukesima ukushika.
Nilikuwa kwa pikipiki mimi nikapitia Duvesco.
Haya waisha basi tuko hapa kwenu.
Haya. Dakika moja tu nitakuwa nimefika. I'm telling you guys, they have been passed on this route here, and me I was coming from this route. Anyway, let's go and see those stones. So guys, when I received the call, the tractor was using another route. That Kaya to touch ko fence na hayo. Hey. Hey. There's some stones here. See? Imagine kana ka poch karaka mbere beno kagire ngora magana. Ka poch. Eh. Kata mote me ko. Urugito. Yeah. So okay. Mama tachongo te mi bicha. Temera hai. Hayo ben. Now, hey. Oh my God. Pooh. Right. So imagine, money power. Icho mchamo kwa enchere omura. Nasi maiki baki tabaki hapo. Samteva kwa hiyo. So these are the stones, and I want to say thank you so much, ma'am. I managed to bring some stones here for the hardcore of the front porch. when it's remaining, I will use it maybe for building, you know, the wall, maybe visitors' house and my brother's, especially for my brother's, you know, house. Not like this one. Yeah, these are more expensive. You know, you will see like that, you know, blah blah blah. I'm happy. Maybe I'll put 2 men here to push these stones. Ichonda tune parabari chekoro mwitu. Unaona gari imekwama sasa ingeendi mwage huko. Tarusha mbegara konchera. So guys, let me talk with the guy for the truck. It's too late. Too late, yo. This is sister. Sister, see? So guys, I need to pay them and then they go. Thank you. It's God's plan. Hey. Aya. Tato hama senti kana nkopo hore. Irenga. Hesabu ona kama ni 5 muho.
Kama zatu taya kao.
Wewe yako ni mao. You need to confirm the money. So tipper like this, it goes to around 8,000 Kenyan shillings. You know, other places are more expensive. Sawa chile. I like hancha for mining gold. Aya asante. Aya. You know. Aya. Turaskane kuyane. Ndahaga chapa lishavet. Aya. Hey. Baby. Aya. For now, I say goodbye. You know, it's too late, man. You try to imagine. Hey, this video, it could be more crazy. Okay, just a minute. It's around 18:23. That's 6:23, my local time. Umekuwa twende? Achia mama twende. So that's the time, guys. You know. Yeah. Inchera? Sinta kama mjemu wa marapaka. Wait, see man. My phone almost fall down. Kujani. Kuja. Kwanza kesho sijui tubomoe ile sehemu mwita. Nyamuya nitawapateje?
Tunaenda saa hii kumwambia.
Nikasema kadogo njoni mama musikire hapa. I'm asking mama, did you okay, aya. No problem. I'm asking mama, did you close the gate of the site? Because they poured here simply because of this, you know. Ila siku niliwaambia mtawanisha hii mchanga, mpange mure. Ona sasa gari imekata. Sasa mtakoma toa mawe pale. Pia hai. On. Nguku neno yonzi.
Acha muno.
Hey, weka humu ndani. Jule gari mbakuhiki hasa hakongu hano.
Sawa. Yes, hii ni kazi ya kesho. Alafu na kubomoa.
Kubomoa ni sehemu kidogo.
Bale tumetoa.
You enjoy my money after paying you during the construction, you go forever.
I don't go.
When you finish your money, you come back. No problem. So kesho tunabomoa kale kitu. And I think my engineer could be here by tomorrow. Lakini kesho sikuna futi. Utapima kutoka kwa ukuta futi 8. Uone sema unabomoa. Penye nitakuja nikuonesha penye pochi itakuwa pale ndani. Bomolewe uzibe. Mabati nitotoa pale uzibe hapo. Sawa. Tomorrow. Yeah. Elwani yake.
Yeah.
Na kama kuna uwezekano au mawe anaweza somba yawekwe hapa.
Kano.
Haina shida. Haina shida.
Hiyo kazi ni nyepesi. Yaani yatoke pale wote watu wawili wakisomba na machera wanaweka hapa. Mmoja anabomoa hapa. Ni sehemu kidogo. Ama mbomoa wote, msombe mawe wote. Ni watu 3 tu.
Na sasa ni nitavinya muwe. Very hard kuwa hapa.
Yeah, I need like muhamishe mweke hapo. Justaki mimi kesi na watu umeweka kwa shamba yangu.
Pia ni sawa.
Muita machera garama mara tome.
Machera ziko. Nyamukirauka mapema msombe mawe tipa ni like 1 hour mtakuwa mmemaliza. Kama mtapa imerera. Wewe mnaweka mawe hapa. Ndio Jumanne, si Jumanne. Today's on Friday. That they work for Saturday. I think on Monday I supposed to put those porch and some space for the pillars for those steel bar. You know, like you see by Monday. Aya twende. You see the house is going that way, guys. It's very late here. And Madam, I wanna say thank you so much. May God bless you. I don't know whether I can mention your name, but you mean a lot. You mean a lot to my mom's construction. Oh yeah, fresh. You know, and the guy who bring those stones, he's supposed to take to other side, but it's because of the poor road and it's raining, so he decided to bring here. You see how we signed a deal, and our deal never failed. Yani haya mawe yote nataka kesho atoe kwa shamba ya mtu. Asije kusema tumembomolea fence. Na mwitu utacheza mawe taishia pale yote.
Kuna mawe ilibaki
pale. Kuna msingi hapo, unajua ile msingi hivi linakura. Na ni mrefu unauelewa?
Ni makubwa.
Na hiyo msingi nataka fundi atakuwa mmoja akipanga mawe hiyo siku. Hakuna kurusha rusha hiyo siku. Anasimama. I'm telling them on that day when I'm going to set the front porch, I need the mason to be there. You know, like I don't want to throw some stones right, left, center. Na najua ni kidogo tu, sababu gani? Kuna pillars, space ya pillars. Atakayo baki. Ano watakucheka so pepe vaon. That's money. Sasa sina pesa mimi. Anyway guys, we are coming at the end of these videos, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about. For me, I'm so grateful, and it's evening time here. I'm sending much love to you guys, and you mean the world to me. So without you, I couldn't build my mama dream house. And at the same time, you know, some villagers get shocked, you know. Within 4 days, the house full. So when it reached there, I say, God, thank you. Maybe by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, is, you know, putting steel bar. Kukoroga hiyo wiki na Jumatatu. Tukimaliza msingi, chuma zinafungwa. Tunakoroga. And guys, maybe in terms of steel bar, there's videos. It's my evidence. I talk with the owner of the hardware, and she's a lady, so she told me yes, but every month or maybe anytime when I get money I'm supposed to pay, and or maybe every month when I get something I'm supposed to pay, until when I complete $500, you know, that's 52,700 Kenyan shillings. So maybe it's my evidence. At the same time, on my previous videos you see engineer making quotation, and I show you guys, and D12 goes to 1,300, so we need 34 pieces, and also D8 10 pieces. Each D8 goes to 700, you know. So you try to imagine how, you know, like still but taking some place. But guys, I love you from the bottom of my heart. Let's see you on tomorrow's videos, guys. Bye.